If you have sensitive teeth, it sounds really obvious, but try and avoid anything that's too hot and too cold, as that will make it worse. Use a sensitive toothpaste. The Colgate Sensitive Pro Relief is really good. Also the Sensodyne Rapid Relief. So you can use a small amount on your finger or on a cotton bud and rub it on the affected tooth or teeth. For a minute, rub it on, and then you should get instant relief in a lot of cases. Another good product to use is the GC Tooth Mousse. It comes in lots of different flavours. It's got mint, strawberry. This is really effective for sensitivity. Now you just have to be careful if you do have any allergies to milk proteins, then you need to avoid this. This is not a toothpaste, it's a topical cream, and again you use it in a very similar way. So you squirt some out on your finger or on a cotton bud, rub it on the teeth, and you need to leave it in the mouth for about 3 minutes. You use it like a cream, so you rub it on your teeth and you leave it on the teeth for 3 minutes and then spit it out. So you can try that. If you have a chipped tooth or a broken filling and it's rubbing your cheek or your tongue and causing an ulcer, which is painful, then you can use like Bonjela on the ulcer. You can also use ginger gel, which is really effective for any ulcers or sores in the mouth. Now, the sharp areas, it can be quite irritating. You can use some orthodontic wax to cover those areas. So we do supply these, but you can get them usually from the pharmacy. What you do is you pinch off a bit of the wax and you can rub it, just warm it in your hands. Warm it in your hands, and then you can just press that on any sharp areas to cover it so it's not irritating your tongue. Usually these sharp areas, they do smooth on their own over time. If it is really causing a lot of soreness, you can take a tiny bit of sandpaper and just rub it on the area. But yeah, as I said, it would smooth on its own, but you can use the wax in the meantime. Same with orthodontic braces. So if you have any wires that are cutting your cheek or causing any irritation, use the dental wax. You can also get like a numbing cream. I got this from America actually, so in the UK I don't think you can get as strong, but it's like an anaesthetic cream that you can use on ulcers. You can also get something called Difflam mouthwash. That's a numbing mouthwash, so that just numbs whole mouth so that it's comfortable before you eat. And you can get Difflam spray, so you can spray it onto a certain affected area. So they're good for ulcers and any sores in the mouth. You can also use hot, salty mouth rinses to keep ulcers clean. So just mix a teaspoon of salt in some hot water and just gently bathe the area. You can even use cotton bud to clean the area as well.